That's how you do it. So I let myself go a little bit, and then I had to start up from like level 1 or 2, and I'm up to level 8 again. So we can get up to level 20, probably next season. This is my latest strategy. We'll go over it in a minute. Oh, let's get one. Yeah, he got it. He's gonna retreat. And this is how I did it. There you go. Let's just watch the start of the opponent, see how he went. First time in a while I'm over 50% win. Just barely though. I guess it's good starting off from the start because you get a lot of noobs for the first few. Which is alright. But hey, experience should pay off, right? Okay, so he maybe doesn't have the barrage. Or he doesn't know how to use it properly. Why not have the barrage? As soon as you get those things, they're like 3,000-4,000 damage at a shot. So 3 of them, that's 12, 13, 14,000 damage, which damages one of those engine rooms. So you knock one out and then rush the other one. That's the whole point of the game. Many people don't realize that these riflemen, once you max them out, they can get hit quite a few times before they die, and while they're being hit, they're still firing. So anyway, this is what I'm up to. What am I on? Let's have a look. 55.8. It's not bad. Where's the profile? ddouble-youu task force. Oh yeah, task force. There it is. This is my 124, lost 18. There was one draw, level 8. Or rank 8. Let's see if I can get up to a bit higher than that. But this is what I'm working on. Everything's going to be maxed out before I unlock this. This looks like a good grind. And then that's going to get maxed out before anything. So I'm going to have at least a million upgrade tokens before I unlock this. And then I'll max that out. I will probably go the quickest way to here. I will get that up. And I'll get them and get that. Wasted time. Wasted time. That's just going to get unlocked to get to this. Wasted time. I'm I'm gonna unlock that, obviously, in that order, and then once everything's maxed out, get this, them for sure. That's gonna be a huge part of progressing onto here, probably a couple of days. So I'm thinking if I just keep playing every day for the next few days, I should get to at least here. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I might just like forget about it. Who knows? But I've just set this out. Then before that, I had like the one engine room here, one engine room there, just everything just sort of like spread out. I think one was in the corner and another one was there. But yeah. Alright. Thanks very much.